Hey everyone, so if you're trying to learn Chinese, then this video is for you. I'll basically be showing you exactly how you guys can learn Chinese the most affordable and easy way. Now, personally, I think Chinese is one of the most important languages to learn. It's extremely useful because close to 1 billion people speak it in the world. But also beyond that, if you're trying to expand your business and go international, then well, the Chinese market is growing super fast. There are so many advantages to knowing Chinese, especially if you're looking to do international business. So I really do think that this is one of the best languages to learn today. If you know Chinese, you are way more likely to be able to do business, build relationships with people in China. And yeah, the market there is growing so fast. And really, if you want to take any business internationally, I think China is one of the best places to start. This is exactly how I am learning Chinese right now, to do the exact same thing, aka use it for business. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the website that I'm going to be showing you guys today is called Preply. This is a website that I've been using for over a year, and I find that it's the best platform for learning different skills. We'll put the link down below in the description, and if you use that link, you'll actually get 70% off your first lesson. Anyways, this is the homepage of Preply. If I come here to I want to learn, you guys can basically click here and you can see all these different subjects that you guys can learn. So you can see it's very heavy in different languages. If you want to learn like Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, even if you want to learn different subjects such as computer science, economics, chemistry, accounting, really the list goes on. I really encourage you guys to come check this place out. And I know this video is about learning Chinese, but just know that with Preply, you guys can not only learn Chinese, but learn tons and tons of other skills. This video is not officially sponsored by Preply. I've never actually really talked to them, but I'm such a big fan of their platform, so that's why I really wanted to share it. Anyway, so we'll come up here to Chinese, and you can basically set your price per hour, right? $1 to $40 per hour. We'll just set it at that for now. We'll select country of birth. So since we are learning Chinese, you'll probably want someone from China or Taiwan, but I will say that you can actually learn really well from a lot of teachers in the US, Hong Kong, or Canada. So I'll just check all of those. I'll select when I'm available. Let's say we're available this time, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right? So I've set all that. And now it's basically going to search and show you all the different Chinese teachers that are available. You can see it's super affordable, you guys, especially if you're learning a language that uses a different currency. And yeah, if you're in the US, then we're really lucky. The US dollar is extremely strong. So we can hire really great tutors for, I'd say, between $10 to $30 per hour. So we can scroll down here, see all the reviews, learn about all these different tutors. And if there's anyone that catches your eye, you can basically click on them and look at the reviews and see if it might be a good match. So for example, Jing, she looks pretty cool. Let's click on her profile. And now we can basically see a short description of her. So she's a professional tutor with 4 years of experience. You can see what she teaches. So she only teaches the Chinese language, Mandarin to be more specific. She's advanced at English, which is great. She also speaks a little bit of Portuguese, and in total, she's done 1,312 lessons on Preply. So it looks really good, right? You can come down here and see her current schedule. So you can see if any of these times works well for you. And then most importantly, I come down here to see what the students have to say. And you can see these are all really good reviews. And you can click more to read through them all. And yeah, that's basically what I did to find my Chinese tutor, and basically what you guys will do as well. From there on, you're just going to book your trial lesson like this. You're going to select your time and you'll click confirm time. I really like Preply because they have a really great guarantee. And if you don't like the first tutor you try, they'll actually refund your money, and then you can try finding a different tutor. But yeah, every tutor I've used on Preply has been amazing. You just need to do a little bit of due diligence, read through the reviews, look at their description, and sometimes I'll even have a video right here that you can watch to see if it might be a good match. Yeah, that's basically the best way to learn Chinese in my opinion. If you guys are trying to learn Chinese and you want to be conversational, then it is so important you spend time learning how to talk to someone. I spent many years learning Chinese back in college, but a lot of that was working on writing and stuff like that. There was not a big emphasis on speaking. But yeah, if you're trying to do business, I'd say you don't really need to learn how to write Chinese characters. That is extremely hard. I don't even know how to do that, and I'm Chinese myself. That's going to take up way too much of your brain power and mental space. What I actually just recommend doing is learn the pinyin, basically how it's spelled out using English characters. And beyond that, just learn how to talk, learn how to hold conversations, and learn different terms that will help in everyday conversations. Do 1 to 2 lessons every single week. Stay very consistent at this. And just know that when you are learning a different language, this is an investment, right? You're investing into yourself. This is going to open up a lot of new doors, especially if you're trying to create relationships in the country of that language. Plus, it's a great way to keep your mental abilities sharp. Yeah, I'm super glad that I started learning Chinese again. This is definitely one of my big goals for this year and next year. And like I mentioned earlier, I do think it is one of the best languages to learn, just due to the fact that so many people speak it and it's being so widely used in business and is growing every single year. year. So yeah, that's it for this video. Enjoy the learning process. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and tutorials helping you start up your own business. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.